Well, I think in Louisiana we're ahead of the curve in terms of the rest of the country. I think Texas is far along. I think California is far along. But I think over the last 5 or 6 years, we actually have made some strides under Secretary LeBlanc in terms of being smarter on criminal justice, sentencing, reentry courts, diversion, and all of those things. So I think we're doing well, but we still have a ways to go in terms of the fairness of the criminal justice system and where we're putting our money in terms of funding in the state.
Are there any big ideas that should be implemented
Well, I think
urgently?
I think all of our prosecutors should move to an open file discovery so that we're not spending so much resources on appeals and did they get all the evidence, and then you have to argue at the Fourth Circuit, Supreme Court, they're overturning cases, and then you're trying them again. I think the New York Times is very right when they raise eyebrows at what has happened traditionally in DA's offices in the state of Louisiana. And it's not an indictment on my DAs. I just think that the object of the criminal justice system is to lay out all the evidence and the jury decides. And the fact that DAs are judged on their conviction rate, I think, is a part of the problem. That we shouldn't judge them on their conviction rate. We should judge them on the fact that they bring good cases, they lay out the evidence, and the juries decide. So that would be something that I would do. And then I would look at how do we make sure that people that are returning home can actually get jobs? Because in Louisiana, we're returning 15,000 home. About 7,500 of them go back. So think about it. If 7,500 go back, that means there's 7,500 new crimes that are being committed. So if we can actually get them employment and get them all the things to reduce that, we can prevent crime and prevent people from going back to jail all at the same time.